In the funnel section, you can create your funnels. And what is a funnel? A funnel is basically different steps connected together, which these steps are mainly pages or pop-ups connected together with a specific goal. And it's very cool because you can see actually how the traffic progresses through the different steps. So it is focusing towards that specific goal, which in this case is a furniture funnel for sales. So it's very easy to sell a product, to basically showcase the product on the landing page and all the call to action to go to the checkout, which is to purchase the product itself. So you can click on that step and you can see your checkout page. You can fully modify with the builder. And again, by clicking on the funnel button, you can see all the different steps that you have inside that specific funnel. You can add different steps by clicking on that step, and you can add a pop-up or a page and create a different flow in which you want your visitors to go through. You can also A/B test your steps. Like in this case, we have A/B testing of your landing page to test out different things. It's very simple. For example, our checkout page, you can just A/B test it by clicking on A/B tests, and we can duplicate our checkout page, for example. And now we have A and B version, and we can modify our B version to have something else. Maybe a different image or a video, a different maybe questions that we want to ask in our checkout, maybe add testimonials at the bottom, so that you make it different and see how many people might be converting better this way. So you can do these things, and as you can see, it's very simple, and you can see the traffic in each step, how it is progressing. It's actually distributed evenly, randomly, either to one of the two when somebody visits it, so that they can you can see how they progress. You can also add an upsell after somebody purchases a product in your checkout by clicking here and add a page or a pop-up as an upsell. So you can build as big as you want funnel, and with amazing analytics about it, about the traffic, the sales, and other things that you have inside your funnel, to easily see all that information and the flow that is happening. So it is amazing for any type of campaign. So let's say that you want to create something else. This is a product funnel for sales. You want to create a funnel for lead generation, for lead magnet, to promote something, or maybe your business just needs a funnel because it is easier to understand the flow of the users. So we have funnels for all these different designs, and you can just select and start your funnel with all the steps coming right away. So in this case, we have a lead generation funnel, which is actually focusing more about lead generation instead of sales. So you have a landing page again, which comes with great call to actions, and easily people can go and progress to the next step, which in this case is a pop-up as part of our whole journey. So when somebody clicks on the button, they'll show the pop-up, and they can submit this information and go again to the thank you page plus a video in this case. So you can see again the progress of your traffic through the different steps and how much they submitted, what they did. And of course you can go to the thank you page, and you can have whatever information that you want. So you can build as big as you want funnels, and you can create as many as you want for different campaigns. If you wish, you can also connect a domain to each one and have it as a completely standalone for your business or for your next campaign, whatever you decide. So I hope that you enjoy them. They're amazing for actual goals, to actually reaching a specific thing that you're doing, whatever the campaign is. I hope that you enjoy it, and if you have any questions, just let us know.